Hello again. During this program, we stress the importance of approaching product design with an inclusive mindset. Because we're aware that marginalized groups are often overlooked during the ideation phase, we really want you to understand that good UX design strives to create a user experience that is inclusive of as many users as possible. In this video, I'll discuss an example of designing for social good, where focusing on the needs of elderly nursing center residents led to the improvement of the Nest Hub Max. Nest Hub Max is a screen device that offers video calling, task scheduling, and other smart technology capabilities. Creating prototypes that include accessibility options for people with low vision or people with low hearing has become commonplace. For example, when Google's Nest Hub Max premiered, it featured an HD screen with touch capabilities. Users could customize usability settings like text size and volume for more accessible use. The problem? Although designs like these are built with accessibility in mind, the products themselves remain centered around able-bodied users. Although people with impairments are able to adjust the product to fit them, the product was not made specifically for their needs. In 2020, however, the Nest team switched gears to focus on one of these groups of users. As a part of Google's Hardware for Good initiative, the team set out to make life more connected for nursing home residents. Globally, there are millions of senior citizens living in assisted living facilities. This population can often feel emotional and social isolation from the outside world. Some residents are located far from their families, while others are put under strict visitation regulations because they are more susceptible to ailments that can lead to serious health concerns. Although the Nest team had considered accessibility concerns like low hearing and low vision, when they created the Nest Hub Max, it failed to satisfy the needs of those living in senior facilities. As a solution, the Nest team created a program to set up customized Nest Hub Max smart displays for participating residents in senior living facilities, starting with the one in Washington. First, the designers simplified actions that promote connectedness among those who are not used to operating technology. By adding more entry points into activities through on-screen cards and prompts, residents could efficiently operate the Nest Hub Max display. The design also allows them to access their contacts and make video calls more easily. The team then designed an experience that focuses on voice-enabled actions rather than touch. Seniors can find skin conductivity tasks an issue because touch screens may not easily detect their taps because their skin often has less moisture. Creating voice-enabled actions helps them avoid interacting physically with the device. Lastly, the Nest team improved the Nest Hub Max by making the platform easy to set up. Instead of requiring a Google account for sign-in, the platform runs on a signed-out mode and collects minimal data. This makes it easy for residents who aren't tech-savvy to plug and play without extensive knowledge of technology. These Nest Hub Max updates were created with a specific audience in mind: senior living facility residents. But these new features will also improve accessibility for a larger audience. For example, the simplified designs can work well for busy professionals who want to schedule a task quickly. Or the voice commands can be helpful for users trying to multitask activities like hands-on cooking and making video calls. Rethinking the UX process through the lens of this marginalized group ended up helping all kinds of users. As you move on to design your own products, remember that oftentimes what's beneficial for a specific population may be just as useful for a broader audience. I hope you enjoyed this look into a real-world example of the design process. Goodbye for now.